how to add smooth transitions in Inshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to add smooth transitions between your video clips in the Inshot app. These simple tricks make your video look professional and cinematic. So let's dive right in. Open up your Inshot app and then now tap on video and then select all the clips that you want to merge. Now once you have selected the videos, now look at the timeline between the two clips. You will see a small white square. Tap on it to open the transition menu. So you can see there are various basic transitions that you can choose from. There are options like fade, slide, zoom, wipe, and more. You can increase the slider if you want the transition to last longer, and then you can even decrease the slider. And then after you like it, just hit the tick mark. And then the transitions will appear between the video itself. And that's it. It's as simple as that to add smooth transitions in Inshot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.